The next one is so we are going to be inputting our local government. Then the town or city. Still put Ikeja. Then the postal code. If you want to get postal code for this location, or regardless of the location you are, so just simply type it on your Google. Postal code Ikeja. So here is it. There are different postal code, but you just pick one of it. So let's just pick this. You copy it, then you can paste it here. Then the state. Lagos. Next. Do you have provide deliveries or home and office visits? That means, do you offer delivery services? And if yes, you say yes. If no, you say no. So delivery services allow people to have opportunities to get your product in different time of the day. It could be for 24 hours. So if you position your business to that point that you can offer delivery services, people will get to know more about your business. So it's not about coming to your store physically. You can create a relationship within the dispatch companies, and when you people agree together, you can be giving them your products, and then they can direct the product directly to the customer. So I think with that will help your business grow more than just them coming physically to your business location. So I will advise you, if you are starting small, you can start small. You can calculate your own delivery plus what you're selling. Let's assuming the amount of what you are selling is 50,000 naira, and you have calculated with your gain, so you can just include delivery services in that amount to make the customer want to buy your products. So because most customers, when you tell them, okay, the amount of the goods is 50,000, I now start putting an additional fee for delivery, most of them get scared away, and that's how you lose that customer. But when you do your mathematics very well, you've calculated the amount you are making, you've calculated the transportation, then you can join it together, and you can tell the customer that, okay, this is the amount I'm giving you in a good price, I'm giving you a discount price. So I think that will help your business to create trust, and your customer will believe you. So that is a very good way. So make sure you organize your delivery and services. So we are using yes. Then next, add the areas you serve. Add areas where your business provides deliveries or home and office visits. This will appear on your business profile. So it's optional though. So that means which areas. So let's just put Ikeja. Yes, let's put Ikeja. Ikeja, Nigeria. Let's put Lagos Island. So you list all the locations where delivery you can deliver. Lagos Island. So you can see it's adding up here. We can put Oshodi, Bolade. You can put Maryland, Lagos, Nigeria. So let's add one more. You can put Ikorodu. Yes. So depending on the areas you want deliveries to take place, you add it here regardless here. So on the Google My Business, when they open your business name, it will pop out that these locations you can offer deliveries within, depending on the day and time. So you can, we will continue, I'll show you that. So then you click next. Then the phone number. What contact details do you want to show to customers? Very, very important. So what is your contact, your business line? So you include it. So when you include your business line, they can easily call you even when your number is on the online. They can easily access you and they call you and they can ask about your business details and stuff. So the website is optional. If you have a website, just put the website here. So since we don't have a website for this video, we're just going to leave it like this. Then we'll continue. Get updates about your business. Would you like alerts, notification, or tips about ways to manage your business on Google? Of course, we need that. So we'll say yes, then next. So we are going to get a verification code for this number that we inputted here. So we are going to, so we can change the options. Sorry. Okay. Supposed to pop out the SMS option, but let's still try this so that it will be easy for you. Let's call. the network is bad. So for this, let's just, in your case, just the network, if the network is, it will bring out an SMS option. So since we can't verify, we'll just say verify later. So but in your case, if the network is okay, it's going to bring out an SMS. So you're going to input the code and continue and verify the number. So here now, add opening hours. So this one allows you to add the numbers of days that your business is open or closed. So if it's Monday to Sunday, you put Monday to Sunday, we add it. So let customers know when you are open for business. So you have to put the days your customers are. If you are open on Mondays, you said open from what time to what time. You put let's say from 8 a.m. then closes, let's say 7 o'clock. Tuesday, same thing. So this is how to organize it. Copy, you paste. Let's just copy. Yes. And Saturday, so the time that is okay for you, that you know your business can operate, so that's the time you're going to put. For Sunday, for this I'm going to put closed. But in your own case, if you open on Sunday, you include the day and the time of that you open. So next, okay, you say please provide a valid time, for example. Okay, so let's just change this to 45.